Hi guys, this is a Dethleffs low profile. It's on the Advantage range. This vehicle is a beautiful motorhome and it has numerous extras such as the awning, the bike rack, you can lower it down, it's twin reversing camera, solar panel, there is an automatic satellite dish as well on the vehicle. As you can see, the front passenger and driver seats swivel around to the table. Quite a bright motorhome in the sense that you have a lovely teacup window on the front. At the kitchen area, it has its regular features such as the oven and grill, your sink, large fridge freezer, etc. It's a fixed bed on the back. That's two singles that can be made up into a double as well if you want. There is a partition that will separate the vehicle, and the bathroom door acts as a partition, but there is also a partition just there at the end of the bed as well. So it's nearly kind of three separate spaces within the vehicle. Another thing to point out is that it's based on an automatic. It has alloy wheels. As I say, it's numerous extras. You have solar panel, barbecue point, automatic aircon in the front, Remus blinds. The door, the habitation door, is a wider door, and it also has central locking. So as mentioned at the start, it's a particularly nice, solid vehicle that has numerous extras, and it has been well looked after. If you have any questions or queries, give us a buzz. This is just a quick run through, but we can certainly go through the vehicle in more detail with regards to specification and so on. Thanks for watching. Take care.